So hi everyone, my name is Maria, and I'm presenting. I am the owner of Stunning LCS as a cleaning company. LCS means Latin Cleaning Services. So the team I have for me, like doing the cleaning services, are only like Latin girls, and I love the work they do, and also I really love doing that. So yeah, that's what it means, LCS. Leverage your time to do the cleaning, no? Sometimes we think about that, okay, I'll save some money, but you're not saving time, so that's what we want to say with that. So we do residential and commercial, so we do those services, offices, restaurants, storage rooms, real estate when people are moving out, moving in, post-construction or renovation. So after that, we don't do like the really heavy cleaning. We have done it, but we don't want to focus on that now. So it will be just called renovation cleaning. Houses, permits, Airbnb, cottages, and all that. So we do get really busy in the summer with that. So yeah. And the final thing, we have done like some condominiums and buildings, like some floors, entire floors of apartments and stuff. So yeah, we do that cleaning as well. It can be like weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or whenever it's needed, okay? So yeah, express cleaning, standard cleaning, or deep cleaning. So it's also, it depends on what the client needs. It will depend. That's a little example of, how it looks in before and after. So yeah, we're gonna have some more photos showing how it looks like, of course, after the cleaning. Here, how can we increase and attract great tenants? So what we can see after the cleaning is, we all love big things. So in this case, we will see like a bigger place. It will be like the best way of presenting like what you want to sell. So in this case, after the showing a clean and tidy place, it will help, of course, to make it look bigger by removing like mess around, things like that. Sometimes furniture that they don't need around there. So by removing that, it will make it look, of course, bigger and better. So sanitary environment and good smell. Of course, when we walked in a place that smells like good, you feel good right away. So that's a good point. Property, of course, will look more appealing. Envision themselves to live there, and they will imagine like right away, oh wow, I would love to live here, of course, right? By having that, those emotions create a great experience. And yeah, it's not all about just really vacuuming and cleaning the surface. People who really care about like a clean place, they will notice that when someone did like really quick cleaning and they're like, this already is telling me that it's not a service of quality that you want to try to present to the person that is going to rent or buy that place. So they can tell. Some people, they don't really care about that, which is okay. Like for me, when I was about to rent my place, they showed me it was full of garbage around, like cups, empty cups and stuff like that. It was really bad. But for me, because I like doing this, so I didn't care. I just turned it in my head like, oh, this will look beautiful after this, right? So I didn't care. Other people will want to see it beautiful since the first time. And yeah, just to ensure that the property is ready for selling it or renting it or buying it. And here again, just a little example of how it looks before and after. That one, you don't see a couch or a table. So here we were able to put inside that thing, so it was like challenging, a lot of hours, but yeah, we get to do some good work there. What is the impact on real estate? And I don't think only on real estate. This is impact like everywhere, no? Like it's not only in real estate. So meaning when we are in, let's say, office work, like you're going to transmit how, like the ethic of work you have by having everything organized, clean, not messy, and you will reflect what you are doing, selling, or whatever you're doing, So it's not only on the real estate, but here we have like, enhancing potential tenants and home buyers' confidence. Of course, when they see this, and again, clean place, it's not just about, okay, now I found a place, I will, I like the, let's say, location and everything, but it's also about the, how they
feel?
how they feel, yes, the one they feel like right away. Boosting property appeal, same. A lot of things are like visual for a lot of people, right? So again, if they will see like a good and attractive place, it will level up their emotions, right? And it's not gonna be like a turn off, oh, I don't like this place. No, they cannot really see how beautiful all the potential of the place, right? Sometimes, okay, the location is good, but if they don't see how big it is, they don't really see the potential. Let's say someone moving in, they don't see okay, where I'm gonna put my couch. Sometimes people don't even buy the house just because the couch that they kept from the grandmother doesn't fit there. So they want to see that, right? So those little details, that's when it matters, when showing like the place the best way possible. And improving property value, of course, same. If it's full of things around, they won't be able to see how big it is. They won't be able to see the potential. So, in this case, they will say, okay, so if you're asking me for this price, like, why not? It worth this much. So, that and accelerate the sales process. They're just gonna make a decision. It will help to make a decision faster. Okay. So this is next one is another example. This one's supposed to be a video before and after. So it's just, we don't have it now, but it's just similar to the other ones, before and after the cleaning. And this is an example of the condominiums that we do and buildings that are under construction. And we just make it like ready to move in, okay? So here, and I love seeing this photo, the before and after. It just makes you feel just like, oh, I did that. So, and that's it. Let's make that money, baby.
Thank you.